Hello everyone, this video is made for answering the question which I gave you in the previous video. And the question was, explain why some people experience nose bleeding and some others experience shortness of breath at high elevations. So I'm giving you some moments to think about it, just think.
No oxygen!
Now, let me answer. This is all related to the atmospheric pressure, which is the external pressure exerted on our skin. And that atmospheric pressure decreases with increasing elevation. Therefore, the pressure is lower at higher elevations, due to which the difference between the blood pressure in the veins and the air pressure, that is atmospheric pressure outside, increases. This pressure imbalance may cause some thin-walled veins such as the ones in the nose to burst, that causes bleeding. And for the part of shortness of breath, that is caused by the lower air density at higher elevations and thus lower amount of oxygen available per unit volume. Now again I am giving you a question to think about it and comment in the comment section. And the question is, why heat sinks with closely spaced fins are not suitable for natural convection cooling? So just think about this question and comment, while stay healthy, stay safe and stop COVID-19 by staying at home. Thank you. Also, for more exciting contents about science related stuffs in the form of news, videos or articles, don't forget to like our page Science Talk on Facebook, for which the link is given below.